If I'm taking a skin graft, I'm typically going to be doing, almost always, a deep dermal set of sutures and then a subcuticular. So now let's say we've got a graft and we've taken too much fat on the back of it. What do? Easy. You get a damp swab over your finger. You put the graft over your finger. You get your scissors, and all you simply do is trim off the fat. You want a nice, even, thin graft of just epidermis and dermis. So if you've got too much fat on your graft, you lay it over your finger like this. Get some scissors, damp swab, and just trim it till it's just epidermis and dermis. And when you're happy, wrap it up in the damp swab and put it somewhere secure. Then you get your blade. You can change your blade if you've taken the skin graft first. If you've taken the skin graft first, you can use the same blade. If you've taken the lesion first, change the blade, change your gloves. So for this, the first thing we want to do is, so you don't forget, place your marker stitch. I place it 12 o'clock superior, because we're on the lateral face. I do this the same place every time, so that if I don't document it, I know that I'm consistent, but I'll also document that. 1, 2. I don't let it crush the specimen. And then just cut. Don't forget to secure your needles, which means turn the sharp bit towards the needle holder body.